The number one thing I hear agents tell me is they need a CRM. The number two thing I hear them tell me is they don't use the CRM they have. This is a big problem, as the client referral management software is a huge piece to your real estate business. And I'm going to tell you why and how to utilize it appropriately and maybe get started using it in this video. What's up, guys? Jeremy Kane with the Real Estate Agent Playbook. Super excited to dive into this topic, as I was one of those agents at one point that didn't utilize a CRM, and I was kind of all over the place. Now that I've organized my business, my sphere of influence is, under control and absolutely crushing for me as I continue to succeed in the real estate industry. But first, please like, comment, subscribe. I'd be happy to chat with you anytime about our group at EXP and the free CRM that we receive, which is KVCore, which is the industry leader in my opinion. If you're interested in that, click this link below and we will absolutely dive into seeing if the Wolfpack at EXP is a good fit for you. Okay, so first things first, I'm gonna tell you right now, I've had a ton of CRMs in my day. I've had them all, from Wise Agent to Lion's Desk to KVCore to Follow Up Boss, all of them. There's no perfect CRM out there. They're all a little bit different. They all do things a little bit differently. So the first things first is find one and understand that they all kind of do the same thing, but they do it a little bit differently. So the first thing you need to do is find one, pick one, and go with it. And then on day one, the day that you're excited about it and you kind of know all the bells and whistles, I need you to upload all of the contacts you have. If you don't have any contacts, maybe check your phone. You have a phone book full of contacts in there. You at least have names and phone numbers. If you have names and phone numbers, you can work on building out a database with full contacts, including email, physical address, maybe birthdays, from those phone numbers. Also, you can, connect with people on social media and kind of build this out. So the first things first is put all the information you do have into the CRM that you chose. And at this point, it's just like a spreadsheet, and that's okay. I would advise against using Google Docs or, Excel spreadsheets. I know some people do and absolutely crush it. You must be very dedicated and very organized. You're doing a lot of the work that a CRM does for you just by using those spreadsheets singly. So once you have everybody's name in there, make sure you start to, maybe take 15 minutes a day to fill out those contacts. If you have name, phone number, and email, maybe, work to get the birthday and physical address. A good tip to say that is to pick up the phone, call and say, hey, I'm gonna start sending birthday cards to everyone in my database. What's your address? Boom, give you your birthday, give you your address, you're good to go. And so as you continue to develop that and build that out, that's the first and most important thing. But remember, I said day one, put all of the information that you do have into that CRM, and that'll help you kind of get off on the right foot and start to utilize this and make it a tool in your business. After you have, a decent amount of contacts in there, maybe that's 50 to 100 or whatever you might have, turn off the computer and develop a system. If you're a new agent and you don't have any contacts, which you should because you have a phone, just turn off the computer and develop a system. What touches do you want to have on the sphere? What do you want this CRM to do for you? Are you going to use the drip campaigns, which I would suggest not doing? Check out my weekly email video right here. But in the event that you are using the CRM, how do you want to use it? And that's very important, and write it on paper and then kind of go into the CRM later, and you can automate it if you want. But at this point, you have a home for all of your clients. You can keep notes, you can take notes on phone calls, you can set them up on searches in KVCore and all of that stuff. So just kind of start to utilize it and familiarize yourself with it after you have, okay, this is what I want the CRM actually to do for me. The CRM isn't just going to take those names and turn them into clients. I'll tell you that right now. Once you've done that, you can start to do the trainings on the CRM and see if you can take your system that's on that piece of paper and put it into your CRM and automate it. Have the CRM work for you, but you do have to almost train it like an assistant to do what it wants you to do, and pick up the phone and get on the helpline. I don't know how many hours I've spent on the helpline with the CRM, help and support. And so utilize that, but make it work for you at your pace. At the very least, you have a home to note all your clients and all that interactions. If you want more stuff like this, I will be diving into how to utilize KVCore and how to manipulate some of the deals on KVCore as we move forward in the Real Estate Agent Playbook. So look for those videos to come out in the future. Once you get this system going, it's just about starting it. It's a monster. Every CRM can do so much stuff, and as more technology comes out, it does more and more and more, and you can pay for little add-ons and that stuff. At the end of the day, get your clients in one place so you know where they're at, and then we can start to branch out and build that. Because I know that once my clients are in that CRM and I can kind of track what I'm doing, I can see and audit how I am treating my clients, which is a big deal to me. Okay, for all you agents that just watch this and they're like, I need to build my sphere of influence, it just dawned on me, I do have a free 12-week accelerator to build a sphere of influence, which is my expertise. If you click the link below, it'll take you to a page and you can absolutely get my free 12-week accelerator on building a sphere of influence. So thank you so much for tuning in. If you have any questions on this, definitely reach out. If you would like to tune in to the next videos coming out about how to manage KVCore and how to utilize that, please make sure you subscribe to my channel and you will be notified when those videos do come out. Super excited to bring those to you. And as we conclude today, make sure you check out this video I did with John Schuchman about leveraging social media almost as a CRM. It's a great video. Check it out. We'll see you next time. Have a great day. Bye-bye.